Why do all teachers, and when I say all teachers I mean it. When you ask a question that you don't know, so you have the balls to stand up in front of the class to go ask to the teacher, then they say something like, "What do you think? Why the actual hell do you think I'm asking you?" Or Jimmy in the corner would be like with the most simple question being like, "Miss, I got 2 times 2 equals 63. And they pull that one phrase out of their moldy lunch from 3 years ago that is always,
You're on the right track, sweetie.
"Are you serious? Because I don't know either." Anyways, peace out, Nepa babies.